Hi there. I hope you can hear me and that you can also see the slides. Great. So yes, we're hoping that everyone has planned and conducted reproduction or replication or some other form of repetitive research. And of course, we're also very much hoping that people want to publish their results in some form. And there are various ways of doing that, but today I'll be presenting this new Diamond open access journal initiative, Replication Research, which I'm very pleased to play a very small part in. And I've already mentioned it's Diamond open access, so it's free to read, free to publish, and most importantly, it's community owned and led. So throughout the whole process, lots of people were involved, and it was very much a collaborative initiative, and it also offers mentorship, so that less experienced researchers or maybe experienced researchers but less experienced in replication can come and get advice to conduct their replication. It's not only replication, and that's what you can see here. It is also reproductions and robustness checks and these sorts of things, but also multiverse analysis or many-analyst studies. And we're also open to things like tutorials or more conceptual contributions, reviews and such. So it's repetitive research in the broad sense, and not sort of pure replication with new data, same analysis, new data, but all forms of repetitive research are encouraged. And what makes this journal different to other journals that do accept replications is that it's very much multidisciplinary. So there are lots of associate editors who come from different disciplines, like myself from linguistics, and we're interested in welcoming contributions from different disciplines, especially in, as far as I'm concerned, as a linguist, for the fields where it's not currently still not that simple to publish a replication. And so this is an important outlet to have for areas where replications or things like reproductions and other forms of repetitive research are still fairly difficult to get past the editors of traditional journals. So this is a really great outlet to get research, high quality research published. And the aim is to make sure that we have high quality research published. So we have reproducibility checks, and data materials code, as far as possible, should be made available. Also encourage registered reports, but it's not obligatory, but it's an option. And we operate an open peer review procedure. So the aim is to make things as transparent as possible, and also to ensure that the results are as robust as possible and as transparent as possible. So that's the idea. And it is already possible to submit papers. I think there are about 10 already submitted, and many undergoing review, and it's very, very exciting. I'm very excited to have the first linguistics paper under review, and we hope that many other researchers from different disciplines will consider submitting their replications to R2 or replication research.